Okay, so I have been using this for a month, I believe, maybe a little more, and I'm obsessed with it. I've been cutting down on the amount of mascara I use, and I feel like this has really helped get my eyelashes back to the place that I want them to be at. And it comes with a lot of little applicators. So we have these. I typically use these because it helps me form it, and I put it on my eyebrows as well. But it also comes, so you could put it this way, and yeah. I feel like that way it may get in your eyes, and I try to avoid that. The quantity is really nice, which I appreciate. I like that it kind of looks like I put mascara on. See? Love it. I feel like that it has really helped them grow too. But most of all, I like how it adds that bit of glossy element, so it looks like I did put some mascara on, but I didn't.